Welcome to Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. The topic of this video is circular doubly linked list. So creating and displaying a circular doubly linked list. We have a node here. This is the convention. We have previous node address, we have data value, and then we have next node address. And at the bottom we have the node address of the entire node. Okay, let's start tracing the code. Hash include stdio.h, then we have hash include stdlib.h, then we have a struct node with the previous node address, member data, and next node address with the next pointer. Here we have we are creating a head pointer which is equal to null. Then we are declaring create underscore cdll, circular doubly linked list function. Then we have display cdll. Okay, then we go to int main. In the int main we have int data array with the data 10, 12 and 44. Then we have create underscore cdll. We call this function. We pass this data array to this function and the node count, which is 3. Go to create cdll. Then we have struct node pointer, new node pointer, and a last pointer. We have int I. Now we have first we have a head equal to null. So right now we are allocating memory of size of node, struct node, and typecasting it is the node pointer. So now head will be allocated with a block of memory, that is with address hash 200. Then head is a pointer, right? So we use arrow operator to access the, so it's a head is a pointer of pointing to the memory location of type struct. So it will try to access the member variables of this structure. So then we have head arrow pointer data equal to data underscore array of 0. So 0th element, that is 10, has been assigned. Then we have head next equal to head. So head next equal to head, and then we have head previous equal to head. So both are pointing to head itself. So that is how the circularly doubly linked list is working. Then we have last equal to head. So even the last points to the head. Then for I equal to 1, I less than. So the reason for I starting from 1 is we have already added the 0th element. So we want to add the rest of the elements of the data array. So that's why the I starts from 1. And 1 less than, count is right now 3. 3 has been sent, right? So 3 is the count. So 1 less than 3 is true. Then we have no new node equal to, we are dynamically allocating memory. So hash 300 is the new node. So we have new node, the hash 300 as the memory allocation. Then we have new node data equal to data underscore array of 1. So array of 1 is 12. So 12 is added. Then we have new node next equal to last next. So new node next is hash 200 equal to last next. So last next is hash 200. So hash 200 is this one. So hash 200 has been assigned. Then we have new node previous equal to last. So new node previous equal to last. So last is again pointing to hash 200. So these both will become hash 200. Then we have last next equal to new node. So last next equal to new node, hash 300 has been added here. Last next. Okay. And then we have last equal to new node. So last equal to new node, both new node and last are pointing to this node. So you can see the link of a circularly doubly linked list. Okay. Then I is incremented. Now I equal to 2. 2 less than 3 is true. Now we create another node. Again a new node. Memory is allocated with the struct node type hash 400. Now new node is pointing there. New node data, so array of 2, that will be data array of 2 will be 44. 44 is added. New node next equal to last next. So new node next, that is hash 200 is last next. So here last next is hash 200. So this hash 200 is copied to this location. So hash 200 is address of this node. So it's again pointing to that node. Okay. Then we have new node previous equal to last. So last is having the address. It's pointing to the address location hash 300. So new node previous is hash 300. Okay. And then last next equal to new node. So last next is this part, it will point to new node. That is hash 400 has to be copied to this part. So you can see last next is hash 400 has been added here. So that is the one, and the last equal to new node. So again last has been moved to this location. So both now last and new node are pointing to this node. Okay. Now again I is incremented. 3 less than 3 is false, comes out of the for loop, comes out of the create underscore cdll function. Now so you can see we have successfully created a circular doubly linked list. So now we have a display underscore cdll. So you go to display underscore cdll, struct node disp pointer is created, disp equal to head. So disp is pointing to head. Now we have a do while loop. So printf d disp data. So disp data is 10. So we printing first data. Disp equal to disp next. So disp moves to the next node. It's pointing to this node. Now it checks disp not equal to head. No, this is not a head. So it's true. It goes again to the do while loop body. Prints disp data. Disp data is 12 right now. So 12 is printed. Now again disp equal to disp next. So disp is moved to this node. Disp not equal to head, true. Disp is not equal to head, again goes inside the do while body. Yeah. Then we have printf disp data. So the disp right now is pointing to this node. So the data is 44. So 44 gets printed. Then disp is equal to disp next. So now disp is pointing to the head node. So while so it goes to this condition, disp not equal to head, it is equal to head. So this becomes false. So it comes out of the do while loop and then comes out of the function disp underscore cdll, and then it returns from the main function. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of n. So if you want to access the code, you have to click on the code button here and then access the code. If you want to use this app and iterate through, trace each line of the code, then you have to download this app, Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. Please visit the website Robominions.in and download the latest version of the app here. You can click on download for Windows OS and click on download anyway. Okay, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon for signing up. Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app, and make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.